How do you interpret the growing distinction between licensed facilitators and clinically licensed facilitators? And where do you or your team fit in that structure?
I think that there's a subtle brilliance in the way that they created a dual path option to becoming a facilitator in the state, because in both of the lectures this morning, one of the things they're talking about is the absolute dearth of mental health professionals in the United States, and in primary care as well, as a side note. But by creating both a clinical facilitator pathway and a non-clinical facilitator pathway, they've introduced a whole other kind of mental health provider that has a different path, a less expensive path overall with the amount of schooling and cost compared to going to a master's degree, a PhD degree, etc., that is going to get people that are interested in this field out and helping people sooner. And so I think that when we look forward to the barriers to access to care, etc., one of the big ones is, are there enough people that will be able to provide guided journeys, provide integration work afterwards, etc.? And taking this model has made a big step, at least in the state of Colorado, towards trying to create a big cushion of human beings to fill that need.
I think we're really uniquely positioned in that there is going to be a surplus of facilitators in proportion to healing centers that are approved and safe spaces for people to actually participate in the medicine. So, having a large pool of people in this field is pretty rare. Having a lot of providers to choose from, being able to work with the best of the best right out the gate before, this kind of equalizes and the number of centers is equal to the number of facilitators that are licensed. But right now we're really positioned well to be able to work with people who are highly trained and have been doing this for years already.